5 to 10 miles per hour.
1101.
Friday,
Station
partly sunny.
WR122
A
and
slight chance of
WS,
showers
Wilmington,
and
North
thunderstorms
Carolina.
in the morning, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 90s. South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 50%.
There they go. There we go, Wilmington.
This is NOAA's National Weather Service in Wilmington, North Carolina. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station WXJ22's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted between the hours of 11 and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the following Wednesday. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in north-central South Carolina: Chesterfield, Clarendon, Darlington, Dillon, Florence, Kershaw, Lee, Marion, Marlborough, Sumter, and Williamsburg. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning Alarm System. We now return you to the normal program schedule.
Wilmington finally did the test!